Hi Masters, this is Rajarshi Rashekar. Welcome to my Spiritual Wisdom Information channel. Rajarshi Rashekar Spiritual Wisdom Information channel. So we are discussing so many topics about spiritual wisdom, getting wisdom from different sources. So fundamentally we are getting wisdom through Swadhyaya. Yes, my dear friends, spiritual books reading. Books are the shortcut way for enlightenment. చినిగిన చొక్కా అయినా వేసుకో, మంచి పుస్తకం కొనుక్కో. Right from childhood we are hearing these words. So many gurus said these words. సో అట్లాంటి చక్కటి ఆధ్యాత్మిక పుస్తకాల గురించి, మరి అటువంటి పుస్తకాలు నా జీవితం మీద చూపించిన ప్రభావం 2015 to 2020. In this 5 years lifetime, I have read so many books, spiritual books, number of books, thousands of books, to get wisdom, to transform myself, to self-realization, to know about spirituality, to understanding spiritual science. So I have read so many spiritual books, number of authors, old age spiritual science and new age spiritual science, Bhagavad Gita, and as well You Forever, new age spiritual also. Number of books I have read in my life, in this life, in this after my physical science MBA. I have read these spiritual science books, spiritual wisdom books. I'll tell you few books names which I have mostly affected in my life. So first, when I started my meditation, when I enter into the spiritual path, I read one book that is called You Can Heal Your Life. What a wonderful book. This book's number of affirmations we have. Yes, my dear friends, I am perfect. Number of affirmations. This entire book will give affirmations. I am strong, I am healthy, I am prosperity. This kind of affirmations, number of affirmations to motivate yourself, to build confidence in yourself. Louis Selle, author of this book, You Can Heal Your Life. What a wonderful book. After reading this book, so much of belief system changed. Before reading this book, after reading this book, lot of changes in my belief system. Yes, my dear friends, books are the shortcut way for enlightenment. That is truth. That is fundamental truth. And You Forever, about astral traveling, Lok Samrampa written this book. Astral traveling, third eye, spiritual powers, telepathy, aura reading, Akashic records. So much of spiritual powers revealed in this book. You Forever, Lok Samrampa. What a wonderful book this is. And one more book I have read about this author, Three Leaves. In this book, he has written three lives of three people, whoever normal being, whoever religion, and whoever scientist. After dying, these three people, where they reach, what they felt, what they realize in their akashic records after death, death after life. This common man and a religion person and a spiritual scientist, about their lives and about their death after life. So much of truths revealed in this book, Three Leaves. Wonderful book. And one more book, The Laws of the Spirit World, Death After Life, Khorshad Bhavanagiri. What a wonderful book was this. Two young people, boys, after dying, where they reach, what they felt, about others, other planets, other dimensions, third dimension, fourth dimension, fifth dimension, sixth dimension, seventh dimension. They revealed so much of wisdom after dying, what we are do, what will we realize, where we will go. So much of wisdom they revealed to these boys, young boys, whoever accidentally died. They revealed to our mother through meditation. She written that book about the laws of the spirit world. What a wonderful book this was, my friends. Autobiography of Yogi by Yogananda Paramahamsa. In this book, we can learn so much of things. Whoever started meditation, whoever entering into the spiritual path, what happens after the spiritual path. He met number of Siddhis, Mahapurush. This means Paramahamsas, Mahavatar Babaji, the great spiritual leader, and his Guru, Yukteswar Giri. The Guru Parampara in this book reveals mostly the Guru Parampara from Yogananda Paramahamsa to Yukteswar Giri to Lahar Mahashaya to Mahavatar Babaji. Number of secrets, number of spiritual awakening wisdom we have in this book. And the living with the Himalayan masters, Swami Rama. What a wonderful books we have. And Srimad Bhagavad Gita by Patriji, Brahmarshi Pitama Patriji. Number of slokas I can read, I can understand. This is a fundamental book on this earth planet. How to live, how to eat, how to do, what to do. Number of things about Dhyana Yoga, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga. So much of information we have in this Srimad Bhagavad Gita. And there is lot of books, my dear friends. Lot of books I can read. You Can Heal Your Life by Louis Hay and Osho, Rajneesh, Sakshi Sadhana, The Power of Now, Living with the Himalayan Masters, The Master's Path, Leadbeater, Theosophical Society book. What a wonderful book this was. I must suggest this book. Everyone must read this book, The Master's Path, Paramagurula Supada by Leadbeater. and Tulsidalam by Patriji. 1000 Seeds of Joy, Ananda Karnesh, Conversation with God, Neil Donald Walsh, The Power of Visualization, Siddhartha, A Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, Bringers of the Dawn, and Sunshine Before the Dawn, Nakshatra Mitrulu and Nakshatra Lokala. Sukshma Sharirayanam, Vera Stanley Alder. My dear friends, in this book, she entered into the physical body, another being physical body, by astrally, in the form of astral form. Number of secrets revealed in this book. What exactly we are having in this body. Number of astral masters working in our body. Not just for hormones, not just for this kind of cells, my dear friends. Number of astral masters working in our body, from bottom to top. Number of masters. She revealed in this book, Sukshma Sharirayanam, Vera Stanley Alder. And one more master, the Gavand, Beyond the Mind, Atita Manasa in Telugu, and Intelligence Beyond Thought, Parangita Prajna, about his life journey by Dada Gavand. What a wonderful books these both were. I must suggest these books. And Ramta, Atmayanam, Peter Richel, Death After Life, Marnantara Jeevitam, Jonathan Livingston by Richard Buck, Illusions by Richard Buck, One by Richard Buck. Wonderful books these books are. And there is a great saying by Richard Buck. What a wonderful New Age spiritual master he was, Richard Buck. The mark of your ignorance is the depth of your belief in injustice and tragedy. What a wonderful truth he was revealed. The mark of your ignorance is the depth of your belief in injustice and tragedy. There is no sufferings from others. Everything we created by our thoughts. We create our own reality. He revealed that truth. Toltec 4 agreements. There is 4 agreements. Don't make assumptions. Be incapable with your words. Don't take anything personal. Always do your best. These 4 agreements. An enlightenment book by Patriji. Star Signs, Linda Goodman, about astrology. Ageless Body, Timeless Mind by Linda Goodman. Wonderful book was that, Star Signs. So much of information about this book. Conversation with Mahatar Babaji by Master Pallavi, New Age Spiritual Master. Strangers Among Us, Ruth Montgomery. There is Astral Masters, Spirit Guides with us, Angels with us. She revealed in this book. So masters, we must read spiritual books to our own growth, to self-relation, to become a mastery, to in this life cycle, in this soul journey, we must grow ourselves. We must improve our wisdom by these books. Always read spiritual books. Mahatma Gandhi always have a book, Srimad Bhagavad Gita. He always has. Books reveals everything. Depends upon our situation, depends upon our problem. These books reveals to solve our problems. Yes, I realized this so many times. When I have trouble, when I have confusion, immediately I took one book, spiritual book. I have a solution, I have a answer in that book. What a miracle it was. I hope you all get this miracle also. This kind of miracles we have in these spiritual books, having spiritual books, reading spiritual books. So, my dear friends, be a master to realize yourself. Thank you very much.